In this video, you will learn how to uninstall completely Cassandra NoSql from your Ubuntu system. So that is a topic which we are going to discuss in this session. So let's begin. So guys, let's see how to uninstall Cassandra 3.0 from the Ubuntu system properly. So very first thing what you need to do, you need to go to this directory etc init.d. After that what you need to do, you need to list, there is one binary file in this path if Cassandra installed over here. So very first thing what you need to do, you need to stop the Cassandra. So in order to stop the Cassandra, what you need to do, you need to run this command. Okay, so let me run over here. So over here this is asking password, I need to enter the password. Okay, so in a moment it will stop. So guys, you can see over here Cassandra has stopped. Now next thing what you need to do over here, next thing is you need to run this command, okay, which will remove the Cassandra from the our system, and it will remove all the packages and all the supporting file except few just like log files and all stuff. That will I will show you in a moment. Okay, so let me run over here this command which will remove all the files of the Cassandra. So guys, as you can see over here, Cassandra has removed over here, but still we need to clean up the few things. So another thing what you need to do, you need to remove the supporting files. Okay, so in order to remove the supporting files, what you need to do, you need to run this command. Why this command? Because in the var directory you cannot remove normally using the rm command. So in order to remove this log file from the var directory, you need to run this command. Okay, so let me run this command over here. So it has removed. Now after that what I need to do, I need to run this command. Okay, if it is there, let me show. Yeah, no, it is not there, so it won't remove. Okay, after that what you need to do, you need to remove this directory as well. And after that what you need to do, let me go over here, you need to run this command. Why? Because at the time of installation we have added the path in this directory, or I can say that URL we have inserted over here. Okay, if you have seen my installation video, then in that video you will see this path addition process. Okay, so let me remove over here this file also. After that what you need to do, you need to find some Cassandra file from the root directory, and if you found any Cassandra file, then you can remove it. Okay, and at last what you need to do, you need to run this command. Okay, so let me run this command, and what this command will do, it will clean up the whatever the unnecessary things are there. So what it will do, it will just clean up. So over here it is asking why, so you can enter over here why. And guys, this is how the Cassandra properly uninstalled, and I guaranteed over here if you followed this process, then if you install next time, then you won't get any error. And if you get any error, then please let me know in the comment box. I will try to answer your question. So guys, I hope you have understood what all the steps you need to follow in order to completely remove Cassandra NoSql from your Ubuntu system. Okay, now I am moving towards my end of video, and I would like to tell that please don't forget to check out my description box. In that I have given so many links. Okay, and if you want to get the regular notification on my videos of the Cassandra NoSql, then please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press bell icon button. Thank you so much for watching for the video. Bye bye, take care.